holder working well. Oh, wow. Wish we all just don't you wish you could just spring to attention that fast? Watch this. You want a drink? You want a drink? Come on. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M2JA296. This is a 2002 Jaguar XK8, not an R, just a standard Jag. Let's step inside here and fire this thing up. Traction not available, yada yada yada. We know ABS. The bonnet is open. Could I get mileage? Apparently not today. We'll get to that in just a second here. Take a walk around the car here and show this thing off. Beautiful, beautiful front end on it besides that. Oh yeah, backwards hood. Yeah. 4-liter V8 under the hood, untouched, running very well, nice and smooth. Driver's headlight made it in great condition. Driver's fog light made it. Heck, the passenger fender, I don't know, it may have made it too. Very good chance. Cars are getting hard to find in such good condition. I see a nice set of OEM 18-inch wheels. I believe they're going to have the XK8 offset on them. We'll take her off life support here, maybe. Nice OEM rear bumper with parking sensors. Deck lid's in good shape too. Taillights are in great shape. Nice blue convertible top. I do not see any issues with it. Let's see if we can get it to go down. All right, here comes the test. Will the Jag roof go down? She does. Great success. Oh, 50,929 miles. Very nice, very low. There's that convertible roof going back up. Andy, do you have a ban the bomb?
I do have a ban the bomb.
It kind of worked over there. Kind of like this car's been hit or something, a little bit pinched, but the convertible roof did work. There's not a disc in it. This thing's running very well.
I don't think this one will do a burnout.
I don't think it will either, because I'm not going to.
That's not fun.
No, so we're trying to get a handle on.
All right, that works. We'll see if the tape works. None other than yours truly, Jim Bebbesy Jr.'s debut album, Ban the Bomb. We have an unlimited supply of these test cassettes, so we will keep the tunes coming in the test videos. Let's test some parts here. Obviously, that radio is working great. Climate control. Oh, it's in centigrade. They think we're fancy. Let's get that back to old Americans. 61. Perfect temperature right there. Let's get that going. Power windows obviously are working. How do you make those quarter windows work? a really good question. That's how you make them work. Okay, very nice. Well, let's test out the transmission. Reverse. Oh, that's neutral. Drive. Heard the parking sensors working there, letting me know I do not know how to drive. What else can we test in here? Power door mirrors. A little slow to respond like the rest of us, but there she goes. She just had to wake up. Working well. All right, let's put this roof down one more time. Fully tested, guys. Working well. Oatmeal leather interior is in great shape too. I'm gonna get out of here and you guys can take a look at that. The heated seats do work, I can confirm that. Passenger door panel is in great shape. Driver's door panel is getting a little bit of wear on it, but Jaguar used a very, it's a real leather. It's not like a Ford pleather. So it does tend to get a little bit of wear as seen here. Go Gadget cup holder working well. Oh, wow. Wish we all just, don't you wish you could just spring to attention that fast? Watch this. You want a drink? You want a drink?
Boing.
Boing.
Oh, wow, this is in pretty good shape.
It's in pretty good shape. Rear seats in good condition. Passenger seats in good condition. Let me get my
I'm
fast.
assuming they only put a back seat in this thing.
Oh, that's got to be for insurance purposes. Driver's seat, good condition as well. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for M2JA296, our 2002 Jaguar XK8 convertible. If you guys look for any parts you may have seen on this car, there's a lot of them because this thing really is a baby hit. I'm going to leave a link down below to our website, www.jandjautorecking.com, or you guys can give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.